Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making pigeon peas and rice. For our ingredients, we have bacon, onion, red pepper, white rice, salt, tomato paste, oregano, ground cumin, pigeon peas, roasted tomatoes, chicken stock, cilantro, and scallions. You want to cut your bacon into little bits, and then you want to cook your bacon until it is done. You want to remove your bacon once it is done. You want to leave your bacon grease in the pot. You want to add your onions, your red peppers, your rice, your salt, and you want to stir for about 5 minutes or until the onions are translucent and the rice is lightly toasted. Then you want to add in your tomato paste and you want to stir for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then you want to add in your oregano, your cumin, your pigeon peas, your tomatoes, and your chicken stock. You want to bring to a boil, then reduce your heat to a simmer. You want to cover your pot with the lid until the rice is tender. Without stirring for about 25 to 30 minutes, you want to remove the lid and fluff the rice with a fork. Then you want to add in your bacon and stir. You could garnish your rice with your cilantro and your scallions. We have made pigeon peas and rice. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.